Hi, good morning, everybody. This is your humble teacher, Mustafa, and today we're gonna have a brief lesson of vocab. And the main objective of the lesson is for the student to be able to give the meanings of the vocab. And the topic is a talk with an astronaut. So this is a grade 5 lesson, but it applies to all. Vocabs is for all, not only for grade 5. So everyone can have access to this particular lesson and make good use of that. But before I start the lesson, we're going to have an icebreaker. And I always use an icebreaker, which is daily fix it. So that's what we're going to look at before we start our lesson. I have these two sentences for you to look at. Take a brief look at them and identify the mistake we have in these sentences. Sentence number 1. That book I'm holding is full of interviews with interesting adventures. There are two mistakes here, and I would like you to have a look at them and show me the mistake. Question number 2. The interview with an astronaut is fascinating. Here also we have two mistakes. Could you help me to identify the mistake? All right, these are the mistakes. So let's see how to resolve the mistake in these two sentences. Sentence number 1, that book I'm holding, you already have the book in your hand, so definitely you cannot say that book. The use of that and then this is something we have to pay attention to. That indicates a distance that the item is not closer to you. So once you have the book in your hand, you cannot use that, but rather you have to use what? This. Thank you very much. And then the use of they forgot the apostrophe, so they didn't put that one there. So these are the correct words we have to use. This book I'm holding is full of interviews with interesting adventures. The interview with an astronaut is fascinating. The mistake was and definitely, the article goes with a vowel. It cannot start with a consonant. Definitely the article go with a consonant, but it doesn't go with a vowel, and astronaut start with a vowel. So that's why we have an, not a. Thank you very much. Now let's go to our lesson. Yeah, so class, these are the words we're going to learn today. There are 6 of them, and we have to know the meanings of the words and then possibly how to use them to make a sentence. So to start with, we're gonna have the first word we have is accomplishment. 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 What does it mean? Well, now that you are not able to tell me the meaning, let's look at it. Accomplishment is when you have worked hard, you've done a lot of activities, a lot of programs, and at the end of the day, you take credit to your advantage. You've been rewarded. You get certificates. You get medals. You get a lot of gifts for what you did. So that becomes your achievement. Now we have focus. 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 What does it mean? Focus. To pay attention. To show concentration. To be alert. That is the meaning of focus. Gravity. 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 What does it mean? It simply means the force that pulls down, pulls up. So it simply means the force. Gravity force. So gravity means a force. Monitors. Here it can be a human being, somebody who takes control of people, takes control of exams, in charge, take care of them, so he monitors them. And also pay our lesson, here is going to mean the computer screen. The screen that projects information to you are called the monitors. Role. What is a role? Role, of course, is what you do. Like your duty, what you put up there every day, what is expected of you. For instance, if you watch a movie, each of the characters have a specific role they ought to perform to make the story or the movie a success. So that is a role. They have a role. The last word we have for today is specific. Specific. To be specific means go straight to the point. Don't beat about the bush. Hit the hammer on the nail. So, specific means to be direct. To give the exact answer. Alright guys, now it is exercise time. So let's just look at this exercise and choose the right vocab to complete this part. So the answer is roll. Roll. Let's go to the second one. What is the answer? Gravity. 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 Let's go to the third one. And the answer is accomplishments. Accomplishments. The fourth one, of course, is going to be monitors. Monitors. Let's go to the fifth one. Specific. Specific. And then the last one, focus. Focus. So the answer is screens. You have the answer as purpose. We have the answer of successes. Details. Yeah. Main points of interest. The force that makes things fall to the ground. All right. Thanks a lot, guys, and have a nice day. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. See you some other time. Bye.